I gave myself one rule. 24 hours. One digital product. Built entirely with AI. No extensions. No shortcuts that stretch the definition of 24 hours. Start the clock, build the product, publish it, and share exactly what happened. I have built digital products before. Slowly. Carefully. Spending weeks on research, weeks on writing, days on design, and then longer still on the sales page and launch setup. The whole process felt enormous every single time. I wanted to find out whether AI could compress that entire process into a single day without the product suffering for it. Could something genuinely useful be created in 24 hours? Would anyone actually buy it? Today I am sharing the complete hour-by-hour breakdown. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Hours 1 to 3, research and validation. The biggest mistake most digital product creators make is building something nobody wants. I spent the first 3 hours entirely on validation before writing a single word of the product itself. I opened Claude and described my target audience, people who create content using AI tools and want to do it more effectively. I asked Claude to identify the 5 most common frustrations this audience has that a digital product could solve. I asked which of those frustrations were underserved by existing products. And I asked which one I had the most genuine expertise to address. Claude identified one clear answer. Most AI content creators do not have a systematic prompting framework. They write prompts from scratch every time. They get inconsistent results. And they have no structured approach to improving their output quality over time. The product would be a prompting framework guide. A structured system for writing better AI prompts consistently, with templates, examples, and a repeatable process. I validated the idea by running a quick search to confirm that people were actively asking about this topic. They were. The product was confirmed. Hours 4 to 8, building the product with the product defined. I gave Claude a detailed brief and asked it to produce the complete first draft. The brief included the target audience, the core problem being solved, the desired outcome for the reader, the format, a practical guide with frameworks and templates, and the approximate length of 40 to 50 pages. Claude produced a complete structured outline in under 3 minutes. I reviewed it, adjusted 2 sections that did not feel right, and then asked Claude to write each chapter in sequence. 4 hours of writing and reviewing produced a complete 42-page guide. I added my own examples from real prompting sessions I had run. I personalized the voice throughout. I cut anything that felt generic or that did not add genuine value. By hour 8 I had a complete polished digital product that I was genuinely proud of. Hours 9 to 11, design and packaging. A well-written guide presented poorly loses sales before anyone reads a word. I took the completed guide into Canva. I chose a clean professional template. I applied consistent formatting, chapter headers, call-out boxes for key frameworks, numbered template sections, and a clear table of contents. 2 hours of Canva work produced a professionally designed PDF that looked like it had been produced by a team rather than a solo creator in a single afternoon. I exported it as a high-resolution PDF ready for delivery. Hours 12 to 16, sales page and pricing. The sales page is where most product creators spend too little time. The product can be excellent. If the sales page does not communicate value clearly, it will not sell. I asked Claude to write the complete sales page, headline, problem statement, solution introduction, key benefits, what is included, and call to action. I sharpened 2 headlines and added 1 specific example that made the value more concrete. For pricing, I asked Claude to help me think through what the outcome was worth to the buyer. A better prompting framework saves hours of frustration every week. That value justified $27 to $47. I priced it at $37, credible without being intimidating for a first-time buyer. Hours 17 to 20, setting up and publishing. I set up the product listing on a digital product marketplace. Uploaded the PDF. Pasted the sales page copy. Added 3 Canva preview images showing sample pages. By hour 20 the product was live and available for purchase. Hours 21 to 24, launch promotion. The final 3 hours went entirely into promotion. I asked Claude to write 15 social media posts promoting the product across different angles. Some focused on the problem it solved, some on the specific frameworks inside, some on the 24-hour build story itself. I published 5 posts immediately across my active platforms. I sent a brief email to my list. I posted in 2 relevant online communities where sharing resources was welcome. Then I watched the results. By the end of hour 24, 4 sales. $148. From a product that did not exist 24 hours earlier. Built entirely with AI. By one person working alone. Week 1 total, 11 sales. $407. The product continues selling from the same listing with 0 additional work. Every sale from this point is passive income from one focused day of creation. What I would do differently: one thing. I would spend more time on the sales page headline. The headline I launched with was good. 2 days later I rewrote it using a different Claude prompt and click-through rates improved noticeably. The product was right. The price was right. The headline was the one thing that could have performed better from day one. Your action plan starting today: choose one problem your target audience faces that a guide, template pack, or framework could solve. Spend 2 hours on validation with Claude. Build the product in one focused day. Launch it before you go to sleep. 1 day. 1 product. Passive income starting immediately. What digital product would you build in 24 hours? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this experiment inspired you to build something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.